My YouTube incredible journey on YouTube. Yes, in this video, I am going to be talking about my journey so far on YouTube. I'm going to be enlightening those that want to become YouTubers, and I'm also going to talk about the do's and the don'ts about YouTube, as well as giving out shout out to my amazing subscriber thus far. So guys, yeah, welcome to my channel. My name is John. You can call me Johan. That's the way I pronounce it here in Nigeria. But you can call me John if you're in any part of the world. That's the way you pronounce my name. So my YouTube content journey so far, it's 1 year and incredible, like 7 months. Tomorrow is going to make it 1 year, 7 months on YouTube. And it's been wonderful. It's been bittersweet experience thus far, and I am grateful to God for everything. So I just want to let you guys know that if you want to become a YouTuber, it is free of charge, no fee, no pain, no gain. So if you want to become a YouTuber and you've already been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is get yourself a Gmail account and make sure that your Gmail account is registered with the legal age from 18 years and above. Don't be like me, yo, that had to learn the hard way. I have lost my channel videos. Hopefully, it's gonna be restored. I don't know, but I am just having a positive vibe. I am just going with the flow. Whether it comes or it doesn't come, I am actually going to continue my game. They want to break me, but I'm not going to break. So, my YouTube content journey started from April last year, 2024, and now we are in October 2025. The game we have still been showing up, putting in the energy that we are YouTubers. So, I don't really have much things to say, but I want to talk about my experience that I've gotten so far since last month. It's been really, really tough for me, but I am just so grateful to God about it. So, if you are looking out to create a channel, just make sure you just go to Gmail or you go to your Google, create a Google account, and then create your Gmail account, and then register it. So the news on YouTube is that you should never go against YouTube policy. If you want to start any platform, be it Instagram, Facebook, make sure you are trying to watch out for their community guidelines so that you know what to do. You don't go ahead to be violating their issue, because if you know you want to document your journey, you don't want your videos to get lost or get deleted in any point of the time. You want to always come back in 5 years, in 7 years to come, and then you see your videos on YouTube, because it's like a journey. So make sure you are not going against their policy and not violating anything. Make sure you are doing something original, your own content, your own pure content. Do you get? Drum rolls. It's time for shout out. Yes, this shout out is not going to go in chronological order. So anyway, I'm going to mention it. Just know that you are loved. I may not mention your name. I did not mention your name. Maybe I forgot. I made some lists in case I need to stay on track with the name calling. So if you don't hear your name, probably I am definitely going to do another video. If you did not see your name yet, or if I did not call your name, don't be angry. Just comment on the comment section and I'm gonna give you a shout out to you. And do it to be visible enough on my channel so that I can also call your name in some other time. So guys, let's go without no further ado. To first off, people I'm going to give a shout out are my future subscribers. Yes, those that are yet to see me, shout out to you in advance. So when you come, I have already given you your own shout out. And to my old subscribers, all good. I am giving you a shout out. I'm my existing subscriber. A shout out, but my special subscribers are the ones I'm going to be calling out now with no further ado. The first person on my list is Oluchi, aka Michelin, fake Michelin. He's one of my good old subscribers from day one. They've been here all the way and we still popping, aka Emmanuel. And the next person on my list is Aiden. Aiden. If I don't call Aiden, who will I call? If I don't call Aiden, who will I call? My brother. Aiden is my brother. And the next on my list, guess who the next person on my list is gonna be? Mr. Matthew, aka Sapphire Digital. I'll be one of my amazing subscribers like you guys. You don't want me to speed the mix shaker. Mix shaker, mix shaker, mix shaker, mix shaker. Mr. Matthew is one of my subscribers. And the next on my list is gonna be who again? Josiah. Josiah is also one of my good, amazing subscribers so far. I just met him recently, and he has been like a mix shaker, a powerhouse, a power. And then I'm going to call who again? Abidemi is one of my girly girl. Like you guys, I like Abidemi. The next person is Ever Waxing. Ever Waxing, shout out to you, ma'am. The queen of my heart. She calls me my queen. Like she's always busting my brain with my queen. Do you know when somebody calls you queen? Do you know what that means? Like, I'm so perplexed. And then the next person on my list is gonna be Fifi. Hey, Fifi is one of my Uganda African babe. Like, you guys, you want to have Fifi around your corner. If you don't have Fifi in your corner, forget about it. The next on my list is Effective. Hey God, when you need people around you, you need good supporters, you need good friends, good family members. Effective channel. Like if you're not following our channel, please do it to follow our channel. She's also a YouTuber like myself. The next person I'm gonna mention is Promise Chukwudi. Promise Chukwudi is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is number two of my subscribers so far. He's one of the people that also started my content journey with me from day one. And then the next person on my list is Nana. Nana is also one of my amazing YouTuber, my one of my YouTuber friends when we were growing our YouTube channel. We've been together every step of the way. Next on my list, all kinds of business are one of the person that always support my channel. They are always there engaging, putting me right on track even when I feel like there's nobody there. She is always there. Next person is Elizabeth. Hey Elizabeth, I love our channel so much. It's always good to have that. I learn about Earth. I learn about so many things on our channel. Please, Elizabeth, I say thank you for joining my channel. And also, Gimini is also on my list. Gimini is also one of my amazing, beautiful women from Kenya. She is also an amazing YouTuber, a mom, and a big auntie to me that I would say. Okay, the next person on my list, guess who the person will be? I have Zeb. Zeb is also one of the people that also support my channel, always constantly coming. I'm always grateful for all these amazing souls of my channel. Next person is will be Mr. Big M, our Big Mama, aka Big Mama. Guys, see, I'm looking for Mr. Big M. Anybody, please go and look for Mr. Big M for me, oh. I need Mr. Big M to show up. See, I don't have to say so much. Mr. Big M. Yeah, the next person on my list is Paul the Ham. Paul the Ham is also one of my amazing subscriber, always coming to my channel, dropping good comment, contributing to my talk. Is always like happy. I'm so happy to have you also on my corner. And also I'm going to call Robocot. I don't even know say Robocot. That guy. He calls me Radio Girl. If I should catch him, I'm going to say so many things in his ear so that he will know that yes, this girl that he calls Radio Girl is actually a radio girl. Next on my list will be Red Zone. I have Red Zone on my channel. He's also one of my amazing silent kind of supporter. He's always there, but he's not going to be saying so much things. Next person on my list will be who have I not called? Jennifer, I have mentioned. I have not mentioned Jennifer. Jennifer is also one of my amazing subscribers. They are not always frequent, but their impact in my channel are amazing. Who else again? Kapas. I have Mr. Kapas. Mr. Kapas is also an amazing subscriber on this YouTube platform that I have met on YouTube. He's amazing. Like you want to have Mr. Kapas around you because he's always so happy and educated with his own contribution on my channel. And also Mr. K Morgan, the one that I don't know where he is. He doesn't align himself with any nationality. K Morgan. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Next person on my list is Vid. If I don't mention Vid, who will I Vid? Who will I mention again? Vid, my crush. Next person on my list, aka Terrifier. If I don't mention Terrifier, oh my god, my Terrifier. my home buddy, my home buddy. Hey, if I don't mention Taggy Fire, I cannot mention any other person again. Everybody is gonna be can't top it. Next person on my list is Javi. We have Javi here in the building. My AKA Jamaica brother is my Jamaica. Hey, Yaguan Morgan. Next person on my list will be Poetry Champion. I want a champion. If I don't have poetry on my channel, who else will I have? Nobody. Next on my list is Beauty. I just met Beauty of recently, and I'm gonna give her a shout out because she is from my tribe, and I'm gonna say hey to Beauty. Next person on my list will be Akanita. If I don't mention Akanita, but if you see the spelling, you call it Akanita. You know, Akanita is also one of my amazing viewer, supporter, and also my church brother. And he has always been there watching my videos and all that. Like, when you have good people around you, like, they are always doing the most in their own little corner, in their own little way. Like, I give you guys, I give you guys all the cap. Next on my list, who have I not mentioned? I wrote some names here. I wrote some names. Hope I'm not exhausted everything. I think I've mentioned everybody. Oh, I mentioned Mr. Gatsby. We have Mr. Gatsby in the building. Also support the channel with his amazing contribution and all that is always there for me. I want to say shout out to you, Mr. Gatsby. And the next on my list is Vlog. Kindness Vlog. Kindness Vlog is also an amazing subscribers, amazing YouTuber that I've got on YouTube. Some people will just be there, they'll just be praying for you. Like, they'll be praying with my channel, that my channel get monetized, do this, do that. Oh my goodness. And I also have, who again would I want to mention? You guys, there are so many, so I'm just thinking in my head, but while I'm talking, it's just going out, coming in. But whichever way, I may not actually say everything. I have Ade Siva. I'm going to mention Ade Siva. Shout out to Ade Siva. Who else again? There's so many of you guys I can't mention. I have 3,820 something subscribers currently on my channel. You guys, I can't mention everybody's name, but you guys, for the little that I've mentioned, you guys manage it for me. Probably I'm going to be doing some other shout out along the way as the spirit lead. You guys. So guys, I hope to see you all again on my channel. Do it to drop a comment, do it to always visit my channel, watch my other videos on my channel. You guys see, I don't know whether I'm back to square one on my channel, but with anyhow it's gonna be, we are going. There's a man purpose and job is positive. But whichever way, so guys, I wish you a pleasant month, and I'm going to come back on the 31st of October. We're going to say happy new month to another new month. So I pray that we all find whatever we're looking for. Well, but I'm making this video too long. This video is too long. I don't want to edit too much. I don't want to say too much. Okay, I'm going to see you on my next video. If you're making this video for the first time, do well to drop a lovely comments, share, subscribe, and love. Do anything you want to do. Okay, see you on my next one. Bye.